Hey guys, today I'll show you how to install and set up VitoDeploy in your VPS so that you can host your favorite web applications. VitoDeploy is a free and open source server management tool, and you can install an unlimited number of web applications or whatever applications you want to install. So you just need to have a VPS with root access as well as a domain name. So I will be using Dart node Ryzen and add an A record that points to my server. So let's start. So first we will get a Dart node. If you don't have Dart node, you can use AutoHost or Contabo or whatever VPS you want to use. And let's go to my Dart node. Okay, I am here on my Dart node VPS, and we will use Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So you can also reinstall your operating system, choose Ubuntu and choose 24.04. And we will connect to our server using a free application called Bitvice. So download and install Bitvice. So just put your IP here, use port 22 and use username root and just click login. Accept and save. And I'll just copy my root password. And click OK. And just click new terminal console. And we will update our system packages. And we'll wait for a few minutes. Okay, so now we will install VitoDeploy. So let's copy this command. Okay, let's paste it here and hit enter. So we will just hit enter so that we can use our IP address. And we will enter our admin email address. And we will add a password. And we will wait for a few minutes for the installation to finish. And now our VitoDeploy has finished. So we will access this using this IP address. And we will use our email we have registered and as well as our password. And now, welcome to your VitoDeploy dashboard. And here you can create servers and create sites. And we will now install an SSL for our VitoDeploy. So be sure you have your DNS ready. So mine is already added. Just add an A record and point it to your server. So in order to use SSL, we will go back to our command line interface and we will use this command. So we will open nano and we will add our domain name after this underscore. So space and webchunks.store. And we will save this one hit enter. And now we will restart our Nginx. So just copy this command. And we will check if our Nginx is running properly. And we should see an active running. So we'll just close this. And we will now issue an SSL. So just use this command and we will change your domain to our domain and your email to our email. So we'll paste it here and let's go to domain. Okay, that will be webshanks.store. And our email will be webshanks@gmail.com. Let's go to your domain again. Be webshanks.store. And everything good. Okay, all good. So just hit enter and it will issue an SSL certificate. Now we have successfully installed a Let's Encrypt certificate to our domain. So we will access our VitoDeploy using our domain name. So let's go. Okay, now we can access our VitoDeploy using our domain name securely. So now we have an SSL and it is verified. So we will then access our VitoDeploy. Sorry about that. Now you can start creating your server and add sites and deploy your favorite web applications. That's it. This is how to install and set up VitoDeploy on VPS. And you can start your own hosting journey. So if you have any questions, just comment them on the comments section down below and I'll try to answer them all. If this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.